This one's going to be a little tricky because I wouldn't be surprised if it pops up. We said the buy was like from 4.8, 4.7, right? Interesting how that's 8.2. So that divided by 2 would be 4.1. So that means any of the people that got long in this 4.1, notice this cute little double bottom right here. And that breakout high there is 4.4. So anybody that was able to get long down in here, they will get their double off on that. Adam's asking whether we should look at ARPA. It's not terrible level. And it doesn't look like it's quite gone yet. It already did have a bit of a rally. I might make the argument there's a whole bunch of trap bulls up top there, right? Interesting how this thing really did rally nicely out of January of last year. So this is actually one where you may actually find that there are some people that are tax loss selling here now. So I actually really don't mind the idea. Like if we probably did like a reload zone off of that range there. Would probably, yeah, isn't that incredible how cliche this is? So there's 78.6, and here Brian earlier talking about how markets like to lose that level, then rally back, then come down, and then break out. So if you wanted to be long from this, what is that, 4.7, whatever this high is, 4.878, 4.79, so yeah, 4.8, 4.7, somewhere in there. You want to be long off of that level. This low this morning here was 4.6. So I don't really have a problem with you being long this name. And if you're going to little old lady this, then I don't have a problem whatsoever. That's really, really simple stuff. You want to try and time your purchase, a little bit of leverage kind of idea. Then I think you got to buy this W and you got to risk the W. So I don't know whether it makes sense to step in there. Maybe just work your bid at maybe these clothesline levels and, on one of these tails, hopefully you get your fill there. But not bad. And then, I think, I don't know, it'd be interesting to see, but it almost looks to me like this rally was that 50% bounce off of the lows back up. But let's see. Survey says, yeah. Oh, not yet. Okay, that's good. So there's still some more room to go here. So yeah, I don't have a problem with that, Adam. That this has got you written all over it. I can definitely see that. And at 5 cents right now, like I said, we would ideally like to be long from 4.8, 4.9 kind of idea. But what's a double? And I would really like to hear that you sold half on a double. You got your original money back. Well, that's going to be like 9 and change. So that's right into there. Is there, what are the odds that they rally it into that wick and release those trapped bulls? And the irony of it all is that you are going to be selling into that pump. So you're going to be right there beside all the guys that are trying to get off the couch or out of the doghouse and sleeping with the wife back in bed. And yet you're going to be banging out your double into that rally, which I think is perfectly legit. And then you could also make the argument that probably what study should we draw from this low here back up to that high there? Well, why not do another 50% rule? Just see where it is. All right, interesting candle body highs or trade location. So this one's going to be a little tricky because I wouldn't be surprised if it pops up. We said the buy was like from 4.8, 4.7, right? Interesting how that's 8.2. So that divided by 2 would be 4.1. So that means any of the people that got long in this 4.1, notice this cute little double bottom right here. And that breakout high there is 4.4. So anybody that was able to get long down in here, they will get their double off on that. Having said that, I don't know whether I really want you to chase and pay that price. But you even notice like today's low, if you could sneak in off of that, 4.6, kind of, what is that? 4, yeah, I guess that would come up with a like 9.2. That would be in this area. Hey, it would take a little bit of luck, but I think you probably should be able to get your fill into there if we do nothing more than just a dead cat bounce and 50% rolls into this level here. That would make sense to me. Or maybe, Adam, what you do, you're such a badass trader. I think you could do this every day of the week. No reason why you can't sell 2/3 of your position at that candle body high 50% level. And, because you sold 2/3, it's well over half. So you got all your original money back and you even make a nice little rate of return on your money. And then the other 1/3 is totally free and clear. It's up to you. how do you want to approach this? I think the bottom line here is if you are buying W's at the bottom ends of ranges, puts you in a very powerful position. Interesting. 4669s are going to be 8-6, right? So that would be 4-3. That would be getting filled down here, like on that tail right in there. It's not a bad looking name. And the irony of it all is that it looks like the original double bottom down, up, down is like from that level there. So that's even a little bit higher than where we even are right now.